Hello and welcome everyone to yet another tech enthusiastic video from Programming Basket. Today we will learn how to install Hadoop in the Windows operating system. But before we begin, please subscribe to Programming Basket and never miss the update about various technologies. Now let's quickly begin with the agenda of our today's session. Firstly, we will go through prerequisites to install Hadoop in Windows operating system. So prerequisites to install Hadoop are Java. So we all know that Hadoop supports only Java version 8. So we need to download Java version 8 followed by the latest Hadoop version, then configuration files. Now quickly open your favorite browser. So this is the official website to download the Java JDK version 8. I'll also attach link in the description so you can directly download it from there. Now just scroll down and select Windows and download the Into 64 installer for your Windows operating system. Just accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement and click on Download JDK button. After clicking on this button, you will be redirected to the login screen in order to download this file. So create your account. Don't worry, it's free of cost. So after creating your account, the JDK version 8 will be downloaded on your Windows operating system. Now till the JDK is getting downloaded, we shall move and now download the Hadoop for our system. So this particular web page belongs to the Apache organization from where we can download Hadoop for free. Now I'll also attach the link in the description. Now these are the various versions available for Hadoop. So we will select the latest version of Hadoop. But while you are selecting the latest version of Hadoop, please make sure that you are not downloading the exact latest version of the Hadoop. Here you can see we have three versions. We will select the version 2.10.2. So as the this version is the stable version. So just click on binary option here. So you will be redirected to the new web page. Now here select the mirror link and Hadoop will be installed. So after downloading both the files, now locate both the executable files. Now let's install Java first. Run the executable file. Click on next. Then again click on next. It will start the process to install Java JDK on your Windows operating system. Now here create new folder in your C drive and name it as Java. Then click on next. Now you can see it says that Java SE Development Kit 8 has been successfully installed. Now just close this window. Now go to this PC and then program files. You can see in program files we have another folder of Java. So just move this JDK folder to the folder which we have created newly. Paste it here. Now we shall move ahead and set our environment variables for our Java. So go to search and search for environment variables. Click on environment variables. Now here you need to set path and variable for Java. So select new and here just type Java underscore home and copy the path up to the Java bin folder. Paste it here and then click on OK. Now I have to set the path. So click on path and then click on new and then paste the path up to build folder here and then click on OK. Then again click on OK and then you can close this window. Now we need to check that Java is functional or not. So just open your command prompt by pressing Windows plus R and type in CMD and then just press enter. Now just type Java C and press enter. If you see set of files popping up into your terminal, then it means that Java is working properly. Now check Java version by just typing Java version and just press enter. So you can see the latest installed Java version on your system that is Java 1.8.0. So Java is installed successfully. Now let us move ahead and install Hadoop into our local system. You can see that we have downloaded the tar version of the Hadoop. So for that we need to extract it first. So just right click on it and extract the file. Now that we have successfully extracted the Hadoop, you can move the Hadoop folder into the C drive. Just paste it here into the C drive. Now we can set environment variables for the Hadoop. But before that, let's set configuration for Hadoop. Just go to a Hadoop folder and then here you can find the etc folder. Inside the etc folder, you will be having one another Hadoop folder, and inside Hadoop that we have different set of files. So out of these files, we have to edit four important files. They are core site.xml, hdfs site.xml, maplet.env.xml, and the yarn site.xml. And then lastly, we have to edit Hadoop env, which is a Windows command prompt file. Now let's quickly edit those four files. You can edit them in Notepad. I'll do it in IntelliJ. So we have successfully opened the four files that are core site.xml, hdfs site.xml, mapreduce.xml, yarn site.xml, and last one which is the Hadoop env.cmd. Now let's quickly edit value for the core site.xml. So the value that is changed inside the core site.xml are the property. So inside the configuration, I have added one property named as fs default file system and the local host location that is 9000. Now read the next file that is mapreduce.xml. Similarly, we will edit the yarn site.xml. Now we have last file that is hdfs site.xml. Just before we edit this particular file, I want you to create a new folder in Hadoop location, which is the data. Let's see how to create it. Now go to your Hadoop folder and create a new folder naming it as data. In data, you need to create two more new folders named as name node and data node respectively. Now copy the location of both the files, both the folders, and go back to hdfs site.xml and edit the configuration here. Now we have seen that we have edited configuration files of hdfs.xml, and inside the configuration file we have provided replication factor, which is the first property of hdfs.xml, and we have set the value that is 1. Since we are using local system, we might want to save memories, so the replication value is 1, but the default value for the Hadoop replication factor is 3. And now the second property, which is named as name node, and the last property is the data node, and this is the location we have stored. Now let's save it. Now that we have successfully edited our all four important files, let's get back to Hadoop environment.cmd file and edit the Java home location. So for safer side, let's get back to environment variables and get our Java JDK location. So search for environment variables, go to path and copy the path up to the bin folder and paste it here. Now just remove the bin and only see Java JDK is enough to set Java home. Now save this particular file and close it. So all important files have been successfully edited. Now let's get back to the environment variables and set path for the Hadoop home. So click on new and just type in Hadoop underscore home. To set the value, copy the path up to the bin folder of Hadoop and paste it here. Click on OK. Now let's get back to the path. Click on new. Remember to create new path variable, that is sbin. To locate sbin, go back into the Hadoop folder and locate the sbin. Copy the path up to the sbin and paste it here. So add path up to the Hadoop bin folder and press OK. Then again OK, and then exit the system properties. Now that we have successfully set the home and path for Hadoop, let's go ahead and fix the configuration file. You can see that inside the bin folder of Hadoop we are missing some important configuration files. To fix this, we will need new configuration files which will be available in the description box below. You can directly download it from there, and you have to just replace that file with the bin folder in your Hadoop folder. So just copy that file and replace that file with the current bin folder. So you have all the executable files and your Hadoop has been set. To check if Hadoop is functioning properly or not, let's open CMD and type Hadoop version. So it displays the version of Hadoop which is installed on your PC. Now let's open new terminal and start all the Hadoop daemons. Just type CMD. You just need to enter your Hadoop location, and now you are inside the Hadoop location. Now in Hadoop, go in sbin. So now you are inside the sbin. Now just type start dfs.cmd and press enter. And there you go. All your daemons are getting started. So that's how to install Hadoop on a Windows operating system. So with this, we come to an end of this tutorial. If you are having any queries, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll try to reply as early as possible. Thank you.